Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Caesar salad sauce full guide. Start by crushing garlic and anchovies, then whisk yolks with lemon juice and Dijon until smooth. Slowly drizzle olive oil while whisking to emulsify into a thick, velvety dressing. Stir in grated Parmesan, season with salt and pepper, and taste frequently to reach the right tang and creaminess for your salad. Warm and friendly. Start by making a garlic and anchovy paste, then whisk egg yolks with lemon and Dijon for brightness. Slowly pour olive oil while whisking vigorously to form a stable emulsion similar to mayonnaise. Once thick, fold in freshly grated Parmesan and season with salt and pepper to taste. Keep a little lemon or oil handy to rescue texture if it breaks during mixing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, powerful suction, and smart mapping that frees you from crumbs while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then get back to seasoning your dressing with confidence. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical tips for success. If your emulsion breaks, whisk in a teaspoon of cold water or a small amount of mustard to rebind the sauce. For a lighter option, replace half the oil with Greek yogurt or mashed avocado for creaminess with less fat. To vary flavor, try roasted garlic or grilled anchovy fillets, and always finish with fresh Parmesan and a final squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.